What is up guys, done at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Yahoo Mail. So first, head over to a Yahoo Mail's website and then you can just simply go to login.yahoo.com and then log in with your account, and you can just simply sign in with your fingerprint or your passkey. And after signing in or logging in, on the right side here you can see your profile. Simply over to your profile and then click on account info, and then in the new tab your account information will open. From here just simply click on personal information, and after that here on the left side you can update your profile photo from here. But if you want to change your name, simply click on this update personal details here on the right side, and then you can change your first name, your surname, and your preferred name. And when you are done by changing, simply click on save updates to save the updates, and then your name will be changed. So this is how you can create a new name in Yahoo Mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.